Action.
All right, we're doing a repair for Oloko and Tulo out here in Elkridge, Maryland, October 27, 2023. Conditions are great. It's approximately near 80 degrees, 2 p.m. So we have a damaged shingle here. What I've done is looked at where the other tabs are above them. You can see this has wind damage here. And what I'm going to do from here is start to do the repair process. Break the seals. Seeing some slight mat transfer already. These are already loose. Got some cellophane here. Loose. This shingle has been torn from the wind. Okay. More mat transfer there. That should be good. So this is the damaged shingle here. And yeah, this one's already been torn. That wasn't even damaged. It's not even a full shingle. This is the full shingle over here. It's torn, so it looked like it was the shingle. All right.
Change of plans.
Continue as first row of nails. Then I gotta find the nails above them. This shingle is torn too. Too. All right, so being held in by something else. One, two. Oh, the nail's still in there. Itty bitty nails. All right, so I have the shingle out. Okay, see we have underlayment underneath. Now, some of these shingles, the nails had torn through the actual shingle. I mean, look around. Like this roof it had suffered some severe windstorms. And you know, they've got over 22 shingles on this front slope. You have your measuring tape on you?
I did not.
Oh no. I left the measuring tape downstairs. So this is what shingle is this? Certainty CX25?
XT25, yep.
XT25.
Certainty, yep.
Weatherwood. Try to find something that's close in color. Not knowing the color. Dramatically different in size. This is the normal shingle that's on the market. Typically they're near 36 inches, and the exposures are also smaller. So the length, not compatible in length, not compatible in the exposure. I don't really feel okay leaving this shingle here, knowing that the underlayment's right there. So with that being said, we're gonna put that other shingle back because I don't want to leave this property in worse condition than when we found it. So we're gonna put this shingle back. All right, but the sole intents and purposes, you know, showing that the dimensions are not the same. And I don't know what this shingle is, so we're gonna pull it and test it, send it to be tested, and check for availability. But yeah, thank you. A couple nails here too. But basically, you do kind of a repair simulation at this point. So you saw you got the camera on?
Yes.
Cool. So this was the shingle. Need to lift this shingle high enough to fit my hammerhead. Ooh, watch your eyes. That guy, and this guy has to be nailed back in. Glad I'm using longer nails. Trying to do the best I can, being ginger with these shingles. I mean, the gutters have like, oh God, the gutters have like an inch of granulars from the roof in them. I'm nailing all these things. All right. As I'm looking, nailed in. I'm doing a quick wipe just because I'm doing it lightly, because I want to demonstrate the amount of granular loss. This was the upper shingle that we repaired. Massive granular loss, granular loss, granular loss. This is the shingles above them. You can see can you see the granular loss?
Yeah, you can see it.
So this is what we call cascading on roof with poor condition. Now this roof isn't extremely old. However, it's not a great product, probably not on the market just because of the size, probably discontinued for whatever reasons, but getting granular loss. And can you see the mat transfer underneath it here? Matting there, matting there. No, I don't remember. Some of these were already unsealed prior to coming here. So that one's got mat. Here's some more matting here. Right here, right here. The mat transfers taking material from one shingle to another, and the adhesives aren't going to create a common bond. So 2-point factor, dimensional, repairable, and now we got to check the availability. So we're going to take this shingle, send it off to a preferred recommended testing center, and go from there. Thank you.